Welcome to the dynamic world of project management, where innovation meets collaboration and success takes on a whole new meaning. Welcome to the Scrum methodology project management. In this exploration, we will understand the simplicity and effectiveness that makes Scrum a game changer in project management. Think of Scrum like playing basketball, a fun sport many people enjoy. In basketball, a small team works together to score points and win by communicating and adapting to the game. They have short periods to play and regularly check how they are doing to improve. Scrum is similar to that. It's a way for teams to work together smoothly. In Scrum, there are different roles like product owner and developers, all working towards a common goal. Just like in basketball, Scrum teams regularly review and talk about how things are going to make everything better. The teams are encouraged to make decisions and take action on their own, just like players on a basketball team. It's all about teamwork, communication, and always finding ways to get better together. So whether you're a seasoned professional or new to project management, Scrum is here to redefine the way you approach and achieve success. We'll break it down into easy bits. First, we will talk about the basics of Scrum methodology. Then we will meet the key players in the adventure. The roles in Scrum, you'll also get to know the tools called artifacts that help you guide the way. But wait, there's more. We will dive into the events that keep the action going and explore the values that make Scrum awesome. And the best part, discovering how Scrum can benefit teams and projects in the real world. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. So let's move on with the first topic, which is what is Scrum methodology. So Scrum is a framework for agile software development that has been around for more than 25 years. But how did it come to be? Scrum was inspired by a 1986 article in Harvard Business Review called the New Product Development Game. The article described how successful companies like Honda, Canon, and Fuji Xerox used a holistic and collaborative approach to create innovative products. The author compared this approach to a rugby game where a team moves as a unit towards a common goal, passing the ball back and forth. They coined the term Scrum to describe this way of working. Since then, Scrum has evolved and spread across the world, becoming the most popular agile framework for software development. Scrum methodology is an evolution of agile management, emphasizing specific practices and roles in software development process. It's a structured approach that breaks tasks into manageable units called sprints, typically lasting few weeks. Key roles to include the product owner, responsible for setting priorities, the Scrum Master, who ensures team efficiency, and a cross-functional team delivering incremental results. Daily stand-ups and sprint planning, meetings facilitate communication and adaptation. It's a practical method to get things done in a straightforward manner. So the Scrum methodology is defined by Scrum rules, Scrum events, Scrum artifacts, and Scrum values. Now, just a quick info for you. If you want to become a certified Scrum Master, our exclusive certification training course awaits. Unlock your potential with our Certified Scrum Master certification training course. Enjoy 2 days of immersive virtual class, a 2-year membership with Scrum Alliance, and earn 20 PDUs and 16 SCUs. By course end, master Scrum and Agile methodologies, understand Agile Scrum lifecycle, terminologies, daily Scrum review, and much more. Don't miss out. Enroll now. Find the course link in the description box. So now, let's understand different roles in Scrum. So first we have is product owner. So product owner represents the stakeholders and is responsible for maximizing the value of the product and the work of the development team. Then Scrum Master. Scrum Master ensures that the Scrum team is following the Scrum process and helps the team to be as effective as possible. Then there is development team, a cross-functional group of professionals who do the work of delivering a potential reusable increment of done product at the end of each sprint. So this was about different roles in Scrum. Next we have is artifacts of Scrum methodology. So first we have is product backlog, a prioritized list of all the desired work on the project. Then there is sprint backlog, the set of product backlog items selected for sprint plus a plan for delivering the product increment and realizing the sprint goal. Then there is increment, the sum of all product backlog items completed during a sprint and the value of the increments of all previous sprints. So this was about the artifacts of Scrum methodology. Now let's move on to Scrum events. So in Scrum events, we have first sprint. a time box of 1 month or less during which a done, usable and potential realizable product increment is created. Then there is sprint planning. So a meeting where the work to be performed in the sprint is planned collaboratively. The next we have is daily scrum. So a 15-minute time boxed event for the development team to synchronize activities and create a plan for the next 24 hours. Then there is sprint review. A meeting at the end of sprint to introspect and increment and adapt the product backlog if needed. Then there is sprint retrospective, an opportunity for the Scrum team to introspect itself and create a plan for improvements to be enabled during the next sprint. Now, next we have is Scrum values. Scrum values are the fundamentals principles that guide the behavior and actions of the Scrum team. They are essential for fostering a collaborative and productive work environment. Then there is commitment. It's about the team's dedication to achieving the sprint goals and delivering high quality work together. Next we have is courage. Courage encourages the team to address challenges, provide and receives honest feedback, take risk, and continuously improve. The next we have is focus. Emphasizes the importance of staying committed to the sprint goals, avoiding distractions, and concentrating on critical tasks. After that, openness. Openness promotes transparency, honesty, and open communication, creating a culture of trust and collaboration within the team. Alright, so this was about Scrum values. Now next up we have is benefits of Scrum methodology. So Scrum methodology offers a range of benefits that contribute to the popularity in Agile project management. Here are some of the key advantages. First we have is flexibility. So Scrum allows for greater adaptability to change in project requirements. The iterative nature of Scrum enables teams to adjust and incorporate new requirements more easily, ensuring that the product remains aligned with evolving needs. The next we have is transparency. Scrum promotes transparency by making the progress of the project and any obstacles encountered visible to all the stakeholders. This transparency fosters trust and allows for informed decision making based on real-time information. The next we have is customer satisfaction. Through regular feedback and incremental delivery, Scrum enhances customer satisfaction. By involving customers throughout the development process and delivering usable increments of product at regular intervals, Scrum ensures that the final product meets customers' needs and expectations. Then after that we have is team collaboration. Scrum encourages teamwork and communication among team members. The framework emphasizes on self-organization and cross-functional collaboration, fosters a cohesive and productive team dynamic. Leading to improved productivity and innovation. Then last we have is faster delivery. The incremental delivery approach of Scrum enables quicker release of valuable products features. By delivering usable increments of the product at the end of each sprint, Scrum ensures that valuable features are delivered to the customer in a timely manner, allowing for faster time to market and feedback incorporation. The methodology's adaptability, collaboration, and commitment to continuous improvement make it a valuable framework for modern software development and beyond. In summary, Scrum is a teamwork method that helps projects to run smoothly from planning to reviewing. Scrum is about getting things done well. It's a simple, effective way to manage projects and make sure everyone works together for success. So, if you want a practical and flexible approach to project management, give Scrum a try and see the positive changes it brings. Alright guys, with that we have come to the end of this topic. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.